How to add debit or credit card on Amazon app. The very first thing you want to make sure that you have already downloaded the application Amazon on your device. Once you have the application on your device, open it. Enter a login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is head over to your profile section at the bottom and then move into your account. Scroll all the way down and inside payment section, you will see the option where it says your payments. Click on it. You will be landing on this page. Proceed to add a payment method. As we're looking forward on how to add a credit or debit card, click on this option add a debit or credit card. It will land you on this interface. Now what you want to do is you have to enter the card number of your debit or your credit card. You can add whichever card you want to. After that, enter the expiration date and then security code of your card. Also, you have to enter the first and last name that you have it on your card. Once you have entered all of the information, what you want to do is tap on add and continue. Once you click on it, your card will be added to your Amazon app successfully, and then you'll be good to go. With the help of your credit or debit card, you will be able to pay for the purchases that you make on this app. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add debit or credit card on Amazon app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.